Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls from dough. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and grease a baking tray, then divide dough into equal pieces and shape each into a smooth ball. Let the rolls proof for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy, brush with egg wash, then bake 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Cool on a rack briefly before serving warm. Enjoy them fresh. Handle dough gently and confidently to protect the air you work to build. Use lightly floured hands when shaping and avoid pressing out all the bubbles. Keep the dough slightly warm for active yeast and allow a full first rise until doubled. Divide evenly so rolls bake at the same rate and rotate the pan during baking for even color and texture. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent that brightens any drive after baking. I find the aroma pairs oddly well with fresh bread on the ride home. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Try a few simple shaping methods to vary your rolls and keep things fun. For smooth dinner rolls, tuck edges under and roll into tight balls for a neat top. For knots, roll into ropes and tie loose knots that puff during proofing. For cloverleaf, 3 small pieces in a muffin cup give a pull-apart effect. Space rolls evenly and rotate the pan for consistent browning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.